Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to bypass PayPal phone verification for account login. If you're locked out of your PayPal account because of your phone verification, you cannot technically bypass the security protocol without access to your account. However, here are some legitimate methods to regain access and then disable or update the requirement. First thing that you can try is resetting your password by choosing forgotten password. You must verify your identity via email instead of SMS. Once you reset the password and log in, you can update your security settings. The second thing that you can try is using a trusted device that you may have previously logged into with PayPal. PayPal may allow you to log in without a secondary code on that device. The other thing that you can try is reaching out to contact customer support on PayPal. Contacting customer support on PayPal. You can reach PayPal customer support without logging in. Visit the PayPal Contact Us page, select Password and Account Access, then Login Problems, and use the chat or call option to speak with an agent who can verify your identity manually. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.